Welcome to the Do and Do Little. We are a mother and daughter collaboration that likes playing in hair and makeup. Today's video is all about the last piece of the holiday. We created a blue elf. Santa's little helper. This is a makeup tutorial. If you notice, her eyebrows are already done and she's already contoured her eyelids to help with the eyeshadow application. And if you notice the bonnet, it's a black-owned company. And I will list down below where it's from. It's called Conscious Apparel by Moye. Right now, she's moisturizing her face. She's using the Airspun translucent powder to set the contour on her eyelids. There's the primer by Maybelline Master Prime. All products used in this tutorial are listed down below in the description box. The eyebrows and lashes are done. We're using a UCANBE palette called Pretty All Set. We told you it was a blue. So we're bluing up the eyebrows. Hope you like this video. Please press the thumbs up icon. And yes, we're using blue eyeshadow for the eyebrows. The eyebrow saga is complete. She's adding a little silver and blue under the eye. The silver is helping the blue really pop out. Now time for the eyeshadow. She's doing a very dark, close to indigo blue eyeshadow in the cut crease. And yes, the eyelashes are slightly over-exaggerated, getting in the way of the shadow. She's doing a lighter blue. It's more of a, I guess you would call that denim blue for the center of the eye. Patting more on so you can definitely see the pigmentation. Now we're doing gold. Have you subscribed yet? Click that subscribe button and the notification bell. And there's the sky blue that we're putting slightly over the gold. And we're putting a little gold glitter on top of the sky blue. She brings it down into the tear duct. Blending all those beautiful colors together. This is our rendition of an elf. Our elf is more mystical, somewhat like Lord of the Rings elves. And we're using elf eyeliner. Now, if you've noticed, we've used blue eyeshadow as a contour around her forehead, her jowls, and the edges of her nose. And we've given her face a slight, well, let's not say slight, a very heavy glitter. Royal blue pencil to outline her lips, giving you a close-up. Over exaggerated the liner a bit to give it a more as I've used the term before, mystical look. And we're using blue lipstick. This is a liquid lipstick. It's also listed down below in the description box. And there's our pure lip gloss in gold to give it a shimmery look. Her lips, that is. Her face is already shimmering. And this is not a look that you wear out in evening. We're going to put on some jewels. She got so distracted by her look, she forgot to put the jewels on. There we go. The jewels are self-adhesive. Making sure the jewels are evenly spaced. This Santa helper loves bling and loves being dramatic. She even has her elf hat on and her Christmas tree dress. It's a shame you can't really see it. It lights up. The dress, that is. Now we're going to show you what our inspiration for this look is and our final results. I think she did a good job. That elf was green. This elf is blue. Hope you enjoyed.
Thank you for watching the Do and Do Little. Make sure you subscribe and also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Alright, love you back. Bye.